everybody, this is Lila in Hawaii. I have made a bunch of things using old textiles. We're still in sort of a semi-lockdown here, so I'm trying to use what I have. And I thought I would show you a few of my latest designs or sewing projects. The first two are made from an old Laura Ashley sheet. And the sheet, this was the top of the sheet, the flat sheet, and had this nice ruffle, kind of a double ruffle. I really liked it, so I maintained that and cut the body of the bag out of that, and then I transferred an image, a French image, and then I made a little tag to go on it, so it closes with this drawstring, and the drawstring has a tag on it. So to go with it, I had a little bit of the fabric, a piece that I'd cut off, so I made a little pouch that goes with it, and the pouch can hold gift cards, and I put some cards inside there that I made. So there's that one, and then there's that one, and there's that one. So those go into the bag. So those are the Laura Ashley ones. Then a friend of mine gave me a couple of old flour sack bags. This one's quite old. I think it's probably from the 50s or 60s. And it was a little bit stained and so forth, but I washed it and hung it out to dry as best I could. And then I made one of my pieced bags out of it. So it's really cool. I like it. It has this nice sort of shabby look to it. Down at the bottom, I've put a label, Paris Laundry, because I've decided it's good for a laundry bag. And then it has a piece of lace with a woman's image and some old tattered textiles. And at the top, a patch with more old lace. And then, of course, it opens like that. So it's quite big. It's about, I think it's 16 inches by about 11. And inside, I know I put something. Trying to remember what it was. Oh yes, some laundry images. So here's a woman. These are tags hanging her laundry, and I remember those days for sure. Here's another one, and then another one. Nice laundry tags. And then this one, which is a real photograph. I liked it. It doesn't actually have anything to do with laundry, but kind of reminds me of where I grew up. So those are the ones made with recycled linens, and I'm happy with the way they turned out. I like to, you probably know by now, I like to recycle things, and especially since we've got lockdown and there's not much open, and in the islands it's hard to really do a lot of purchasing online because it's hit or miss if you will receive it in a timely fashion. So I tend to use what I have. So another look at them. And I appreciate you coming by and all your kind remarks. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.